Yo! Welcome to vlog number 43. What's up, guys? So I'm just messing around a little bit with Logic. Just got Logic, and let me show you what I was just checking out. So basically, I have this signal going from the guitar and the MIDI pickup as well. So the MIDI is like, you know, that weird sound thing. And then if I turn it off, I just have the guitar. And I kind of have it with kind of bright settings right now. Just trying to figure it out. And I'm doing, yeah, I have a gig tonight, so I'm trying to be like a rock vibe. I don't know. Well, I guess what I've been checking out recently is like this guy, Shawn. Do you guys know him? He's just a beast, and he has this like thing that he's playing triads on like basically on one string. So he'll take like a diminish or something, and he'll just do that. So basically he'll play a lot of legato stuff and super fast, but it's really interesting to like try, you know, just a mind drive. So just like trying to practice that. It's not very comfortable with this guitar because you have this thing that is hitting, so it's like for the really big spreads it's not very comfortable, because you can't really do it low because it's like maybe diminish, but it's kind of borderline. So you need to kind of go a little bit higher, and then you hit this with my guitar, but it's not an excuse, so I'm gonna still try to practice that. So it's interesting, it's like these shapes. You know, so basically like taking different shapes and trying to figure it out a little bit. And especially if you're doing it again in a harmonic way, so you can decide if you're doing like D diminish and figure out some fingerings, and just like even on one string just sing, you know, stuff like that. So I mean, again, I'm just checking it out right now. I totally can't do it yet, but he's the guy. Like, check out Shawn. He's just a beast. I'm so surprised. I just discovered him, and I don't know why he's not being celebrated as one of the best humans that ever play guitar. He's just incredible. Yeah. So that's kind of what I'm checking out right now. Trying to practice some legato stuff. And you know, trying to incorporate it with some of the stuff that I like doing, and I think as well, I think I mentioned it before, but just like a lot of times when I would practice something, like if for example I have a new device or something that I'm trying to mess around with, like let's say I'm trying to figure out this like minor or diminished, so I might, you know, I'll practice it in time with the metronome and all these things, but I'll also try to connect it to stuff that I know. So it's in my memory, it will be connected to things that I know beforehand. So I would try to like play a blues or something and kind of implant that, you know, and try to see if I can hear it and if I can imagine that shape or this sound, you know. And again, I'll do it like consciously. I'll say to myself, okay, I'm gonna play blues, and I'll try to play that as much as I can. It's not like you know, the solo of your lifetime or something of that nature, but just like as a practice. So again, and the idea is always, when you learn new information, you connect it to things that your, you know, your system, your body, your mind, everything is kind of more the things that you know better, sorry. So it's like the new thing is being connected to this ball of information just like massive information that you already know. So it's not like you need to refigure everything. No, you just take that thing and connect it. And again, I think that's a useful way to do and to practice like new elements. You know, again, not trying to do everything new. You know, but just like taking one element, one variable that is unknown, and trying to understand it from different directions, if that makes sense. Recently, again, I think I spoke about it before, I'm doing the airplane mode, and it's really helpful. I'm curious if you guys tried it, if you have any, any thoughts about that. I don't know, did it help? Yeah, please, wow, I can't really speak, I had too many espressos or something. So please let me know if that was helpful. If I'm curious, like, how did you feel with like your mind being kind of more focused, hopefully, and did you feel like it's helpful, or all of that. Yeah, short, but I hope it's cool. See you soon.